Hi guys, my name is Fadil and welcome back to my next video tutorial. In this time, I'm going to show you about how to render objects in Autodesk Fusion 360. So let's get started. First step, you have to add your model into the scene. In order to do that, select the data panel in the top left corner and select your project. Double click on it and your project should be loaded to the scene. After your project is loaded, you have to change the workspace to the render environment. In order to do that, you have to click this drop-down menu in the top left panel and select Render. After you select the render environment, the workspace that you're still working on will change to the render workspace. Second step, you can always change the materials by clicking the appearance icon on the top panel or by pressing A on your keyboard. After you click this button, an appearance window shows up. You can choose materials in this window by selecting one of this material folder from the library. There's a lot of materials that you can choose. After you choose the material that you want to apply, just simply drag the material right from the appearance window to the selected component. You can change the environment lighting too. In order to do that, just click the Scene Settings on the top panel, and you can see new windows popped up, and go to the Environment tab, and choose one of these environment maps. In this scene, I'm going to use Sharp Highlights map, and I'm going to select this map and drag this out from this window to the viewport or scene. As you can see here, the environment lighting is changed from rim highlights to sharp highlights. You can use solid background instead of environment maps. In order to do that, just click the Settings tab and change the background type to solid color. A new color parameter should appear. You can click this color box and change the background colors. After you set up all the materials and the lighting, you can click Render button. And make sure you've already set up the camera view too. You can do setup for camera view just by pressing your middle mouse button and a combination of Control and Shift. There's a render button on this panel. We can click this render button. This is the render setting. In this case, I'm just gonna use this setup. And the very final step, you can click this render button. After your final rendering is done, you can save your rendered image just by clicking the preview image on the rendering gallery. Another window pops up. And you can click this download button to save as PNG or in any format as you want it.